Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making donuts for Halloween. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of chocolate cake mix, Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray, green icing, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, Halloween sprinkles, and also some candy eyes. We're going to get a large bowl. You're going to empty in your cake mix. We're going to add in our vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and also 1/2 cup of milk. Now you want to take a hand mixer and you want to blend it until it's nice and smooth. You want to take a spatula and just scrape the sides of your bowl and then continue to mix. Once you're done, set it to the side. You can set your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take our donut tin and we're going to spray it with our Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray. So next I'm going to take a piping bag and I'm going to fill it with my cake batter. Next we're going to cut the tip off of the piping bag and we're going to fill our donut molds halfway. Now I'm going to place them into the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Once your donuts are done, we're going to let them cool off before we remove them and put them onto a wire rack. Now we're going to let our donuts cool off completely. You want to give them about 10 minutes. Okay, now you want to get a small bowl and we're going to put our icing into it. Now we're going to microwave it at 15 to 20 second intervals until it's melted. So all you want to do now is go ahead and mix it. Once your donuts have completely cooled, you just want to go ahead and dip the top in. And set it back onto your wire rack. Okay, next we're going to get an eyeball and you just want to place it on top of your donut. Now we're going to get some of our Halloween sprinkles. You just want to go over top of your donut with them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Halloween donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?